Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing YouTube channel. I am Akshay Mahajan and today this is the Flappy Bird tutorial part 3 and the final one. So as you know, first we will save it as a copy. It will be we save it as a copy so that if we do a mistake, we can rewind it. So we'll do part 3 and it is the final part. So we'll write here final. Now this will have bird flapping, start button and the loading screen. So for the bird flapping, there are two costumes, parrot A and parrot B. Then at the starting, what we will do is switch costume to parrot A, and then when we flap, it will switch costume to parrot A again. Here, what we will do is if there is, we'll do an if statement. If the speed y is less than 0, then what it will do is switch costume to parrot A. Now this is done. Let's see it working. Wait, did I do something wrong? Oh, it's not parrot A here, sorry. It's parrot B. Now let's check it. Now it's working. But it's the parrot is too big, so it becomes difficult. So what we can do is set the size to 30. And now let's see. My mistake. Sorry. Yeah, it works. I'm not that good in playing this. So excuse me. Now what we will need is the sprite for the start button. So if you want custom text, I know a good website which is Geometry Dash Font Generator. Otherwise, you can also use the normal one. I have already made it. I'll use the custom one. So let's see how it works. So what we will do is type here Geometry Dash Font Generator, and then here comes that. So what we will do is click on that. The message would be like start, and now I like the logo font. You can use any font you want. If you want to do with me, you can. Color, we'll set this to this only, and extra same, but now we'll go to logo. Shadow X would be 15, and shadow Y we can do for now. For symbols, if you want lowercase symbols, you can use that, but I like uppercase symbols as I can easily read it. See the difference between this and this. This is much better. So now what we will do is we will press this button for download. It will download here. You will go to show in folder and put it in desktop. When put, then X out from the window and go to the Scratch project. Here what we will do is upload costume and then upload the logo start you created. Now here we'll convert it into bitmap. Sorry, we'll convert it into vector. We'll con Now we have converted it into bit vector. So now we can select it in one click. When it is in bitmap, it becomes like this, that we select a pixel. So with vector, it's better. Now what we will do is we'll make a white rectangle with a border of 2 around that. And it should be backward. Now as you see, the problem it is cutting off the edges. So what we can do is fill this sign, and the outline also nothing. So what we will do is we will make a rectangle bigger than this. Now it looks better. But wait, this is light, right? Not much better. You can keep it to 4. 4 is better. Now what you will do is add the coding. So the code would be, we'll make a new event which is show start. What it will do is it will, like, where is it? Yes. It will wait for 1 second. Then it will wait for to start. So here it is. It will wait for it. Now what it will do is it will show. Otherwise, when green flag click, what it will do is it will hide. And normally we can also hide it now. And here what we will do is it will wait until we we click it. Not only clicking it. We'll use a and block with touching mouse pointer and mouse down. That means we are clicking it. Then it will wait for 1 second. It will hide before waiting 1 second. Then it will broadcast another message. Start game. In the bird, we are doing if touching pipe or touching edge stop all, we'll replace it with show start, and we'll replace each green flag with start game. Now this is done. So as you see, it will work. Wait, my mistake. So in the score, what we will do is in this setup, we will set score to 0. Now it should work. That work. Now it's my mistake. In the pipe sprite also, we have to replace this single when green flag click block with the start game one. And with the sprite one, we have not done this much show start. Now it will work. So as you see, now it is working. As you see the problem, we cannot die. And why aren't we dying is, let me see. I forgot to do one thing, that is stop other scripts in sprite. Then we'll duplicate it and stop this script. And in the sprite one, not in the sprite one, pipe sprite, what we will do is when I receive show start, it will delete this clone. Now it should work, right? I think so it will work. Yes, it is working. So as you see, it has shown start, but it has not stopped all because it has not stopped each script of this pipe. So what we also have to do is stop other scripts in sprite. Now it will work fully. Now the only thing left is the main screen. So what we will do is in sprite 1, we will delete this broadcast show start button and paint a new sprite. We will convert it into bitmap and select the fill tool. it should be fill white, and then we'll click the whole canvas. It will become white. Now convert it into vector and decorate it as you want. I'll be coming in just a minute. So this is how I make it. It is the name of the game here. Then what is in the game? So what I will do is I will group it all. That it is that we will select everything at once. Now in code what we will do is when green flag clicked, we will change ghost effect by 10. But not only this, we will wrap it in a repeat 10 block. And after that, what we will do is broadcast show start. And now it should work as intended. Let's check it out. Working till now. Working. Okay. Is it really working? Yes. So what I forgot to tell you is what we will do is we will show this stripe and drag it a lot. And then when this will happen, we will set its x and y position back to 0 and 0. Now it is done. So as you see, this is how it works. My mistake. So now it is working as intended. So what we can do is we can wrap this repeat script in a my block section, and what we will do is we'll name it hide in, and we'll add an input which is loops, and it should not run without screen refresh, and put this in this. So what we will do here is loops. So we'll put this loops block in here, and what will we do? Here is 100 divided by loops, and here what we will do is hide in like 10 loops. So here what we will do, here what is it, that the less this number, the more time it will take. Like if we do 5, it will take more time. Wait, sorry, the more the number, the more time it will take. Like if I take 50, then it will take a lot of time. If I do 20, it will take less time than 50 but more time than 10. So what mine is 10. It is the best according to me. So bye, and don't forget to save your project.